Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Garbage token. Now the Garbage token just finished their pre-sale recently, and now they're getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Bitmart, the central exchange Bitmart, posted December 12th. It says, 1 day countdown to the next round of Bitmart's Vote to Earn program to commence. Exciting times as the Bitmart Central Exchange Vote to List project goes live for the Garbage token. Starting at December 13th at 18 hours UTC time, you can cast your vote for this token to be listed on Bitmart. So that is today, December 13th, so it is now live. And then they just posted, it says live, the Garbage token is now listed on Bitmart vote listing. So you have basically until December 16th at 6 p.m. UTC time. It says vote for Garbage to get listed, and you could win airdrops. So if you follow at Bitmart Exchange on Twitter, you can find this new vote to list on here. Most of the time, these vote to list tokens get listed on there. So just follow Bitmart Exchange's Twitter, and most likely this token will be listed soon on Bitmart. Now, you can go to Garbage's Twitter. They have 1,478 tweets. I'm going to put that up right in the corner of the screen over there. At BuyGarbage on Twitter. It says, the world's first comic coin. This is not financial advice. This is garbage. And then it also has a link to their Telegram on there. You can see that up there. And their webpage. So their webpage is buygarbage.io. And their Telegram is at GarbageOfficial. They have 9,103 Twitter followers, doing pretty well on the Twitter there. Now their Telegram at GarbageOfficial has 5,566 members, so their socials are both doing very well. Now if you go to their webpage, you can also find what's called the toilet paper, which is basically a Git book, a document section like a white paper. So it says, you want some garbage? Crypto gets a bad rap, but let's face it, the fiat system stonks. And our global financial system is sliding into a cesspool of dysfunction. It's all going to end in a stankin' mess anyways. Doesn't it make sense to fast forward to the end and reverse engineer our way out of the muck? When the world can't separate trash from the treasure, the street smart money sniffed out the stinking secret to success: investing in garbage. Oh, the irony. As corporations make bank and inflation tightens in its financial grips on society, we've decided to use the garbage times to our advantage by creating an economic movement backed by garbage. Led by our bin-licking, bad-tempered CEO, Oscar. I'm assuming they're referring to Oscar the Grouch. Did celebrities cheer you up singing those songs on Instagram? Would you switch places with Nancy's husband and get insider trading tips? And anyways, skip all this stuff here. Let's get down to what is garbage. So, Garbage and its ingenious branded meme strategy ensures that garbage users can easily create and share memes that poke fun at just about everyone, all while simultaneously advertising the project itself. And when they do, garbage token will spread faster than the bad rumor. After all, laughter is contagious. And to celebrate this, we have created the world's largest crypto meme channel that we will turn garbage into gold. So why garbage? Well, let's face it, things are getting worse. We're all done with PC grifters and political garbage. Our custom-built garbage meme machine is the antidote. Whatever your gripe, generate a meme using the word garbage in a clever and creative way. Call everyone out on, well, their garbage. Okay. And then we have, what is the Oscars award? So it's kind of like a play on words like Oscar the Grouch, but the Oscars. So once the pre-sale is concluded, Oscar will host a digital award ceremony for his stanky loyal community. To enter, use the garbage meme machine to create garbage memes. This means a meme that is cleverly featured with the brand name garbage in a sentence in order to simultaneously promote the coin and insult your chosen project. And this is garbage with the money symbol in front, like the ticker symbol. And then you could submit it to the Oscars. Your meme submission will be digitally stamped with your wallet address and reviewed by the Garbage Academy. The short list for each category will be made public on dates to be announced. Once submitted, your meme will be watermarked and exported to your device. From there, start sharing and go on socials and rally support for your votes. So it's kind of a way to, spread awareness for the token and whatever. It's kind of a cool little, it's a contest and at the same time spreading awareness for the token. So they have rules of entry. Memes must contain clever use of the ticker symbol garbage, and it goes through that. You must hold garbage tokens to enter. Only using the garbage machine, the garbage meme machine that contain the garbage watermark must be entered. And then it goes on and on. It also says, how do we choose the winner? And this is all on their Gitbook, buygarbage.gitbook.io. They also have a roadmap on here, starting with phase 1. They're going to have a merch store, an audit for security, social platforms, launch the meme machine, launch the Oscars, launch ambassador affiliate promotion program, building marketing surge, game development, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, central exchange listings. Phase 2, announce the winners of the Oscars, DEX listing, central exchange listings, marketing increase, beta game goes live, development of Meme Madness, NFT marketplace, and then launch the NFT marketplace, minting facility, viral marketing surge, and then more central exchanges. So they have utilities, contribute to earn, staking, in-game utilities, trading memes, buyback and burn. They have tokenomics. There is a total supply of 100 million garbage tokens. 50% go to pre-sale, 15% central exchange and decentralized exchange liquidity, 15% treasury, 15% team, 5% rewards. There's different vesting periods. And yeah, that is basically about it. You can check out this token on their webpage, buygarbage.io. You can find all the links there on their Twitter. And go check it out on Bitmart's Twitter as well, at Bitmart Exchange on x.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.